What's up, crypto family? A lot's been going on for the past couple of hours. As you guys know, the US dollar is going to collapse, okay? Why am I speaking about this? This is all information that is adding up to why Bitcoin will reach more than 100 something thousand dollars. This would prove that Dogelon Mars should reach a penny or two if Bitcoin reaches over 100,000. And also with the gold, the United States is already thinking about restarting their printer. Now let me get into the information. We'll speak more about what I was just saying. US dollar collapse. Shock $8 trillion predicted Fed inflation flipped to spark a critical Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price boom to rival gold. And that is major news. We already knew that a dollar was crashing. We knew that. We knew it's going to tank and plummet. But a lot of people did not know that with the dollar plummeting, it will rise cryptocurrency prices as long as Dogelon Mars, Shiba Inu. Okay, now hold on. You heard that article right there. Now let me get on Shiba Inu. Also, they're saying Shiba Inu is on course to erase another zero. Another zero. They're saying Shiba Inu is at, let's see, at its current price, 0.00000 what? Sitting at 5 zeros? 794. That's where Shiba Inu is at. And they're saying it is on its course to erase a zero. But we're at 6 zeros. Again, everybody's so bullish on Shiba Inu. There's a lot of people. I don't blame you. But a lot of people are not really bullish on Dogelon Mars. What is the difference? They're both so-called meme coins. What's the difference? See, the thing about it is a lot of people are going to be asleep on Dogelon. And when Dogelon does run up, I really do believe we should touch a penny. I really do believe it. But let me get to this article right quick. So they're saying that, cryptocurrency is going to flip the dollar and it's going to be the rival to gold. All right. So Bitcoin, alongside other major cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, XRP, have lost momentum after surging into 2023. Though a surprise leak from a major tech company could mean that's about to change. It's about to change, family. The Bitcoin price has lost around 60% since peaking at almost 70 grand per Bitcoin in late 2021. Again, if you guys watched my video from this morning when I told you guys that we're getting close to a major bull run, this is reminding me of the 2019. At the end of 2019, when we were having that pump. In 2020, we had that massive pump. And then 2021, when we almost broke 70 grand. So how is it not possible for Bitcoin to touch 100,000 when we were close to touching 70 grand? How is it not possible that Dogelon Mars cannot eat 4 zeros from the current price right now at 6 zeros? Why is it not possible? Why is it not possible that Shiba Inu is able to eat another zero and may reach 10 cents? It may reach 10 cents. Dogelon Mars may reach 2 cents. I'm just giving you guys the facts. And that video that I posted about, $75 million, I gave you guys the estimate of if I was only holding 15 billion. I hold a whole lot more Dogelon Mars than what you think. Now let me get further on into this. Wiping around $2 trillion from the price of Ethereum, XRP, and the rest of the crypto market, even as BlackRock Insider primes the market for a $17.7 trillion earthquake. Okay? Now, as the Federal Reserve grapples with a $33 trillion U.S. death spiral, Jefferies analysts have warned the Fed will be forced to restart its money printer. So let's go ahead and restart that money printer, United States, the government, whatever you guys are doing. Let's get this up and rolling. They're saying that potentially collapsing the US dollar and fueling a Bitcoin price boom to rival gold. Family. So as you guys know, G7 central banks, including mostly importantly the Federal Reserve, will not be able to exit from unconventional monetary policy in Bennigan manner and will ultimately remain committed to ongoing central bank balance sheet expansion in one form or another. Okay? Now, as you guys know, the whole COVID-19 situation came up and spiraled up, and a lot of people got into debt. But the thing about it is, I told you guys this morning, we already are asking for a 3-month loan for $700 billion. $700 billion. What is the United States doing? Are they racing against other countries to who will implement cryptocurrency? Or are they just trying to push it up, whereas a lot of people are in fear? But in the fear and greed index, it's showing a lot of greed in Bitcoin. Could the stock market fall? Or could the cryptocurrency rise much more higher? Okay? Now, Robert Kiyosaki, a lot of you guys know about Robert Kiyosaki. He also shares investment allocation to help you survive greatest crash in world history, which we are going to experience it. What I mean by the greatest crash in world history, that's what stocks, bonds, everything, fuel prices going through the roof, everything. As you guys see, people can't even really afford a home or are even able to purchase a home. They have to make at least $120,000 to $150,000 a year just to be able to purchase a home. Now, as you guys know, Robert Kiyosaki, he's a rich dad, poor dad, but he says this: before going down with the ship, consider a shift to 75% to gold, silver, Bitcoin, and 25% real estate and oil stocks. As again, what I stated, I really do believe that oil prices will shoot up. Now, here's another one, what I was about to say. The renowned author has made multiple forecasts related to the prices of Bitcoin, gold, and silver. He recently stated that Bitcoin is headed for 135,000, while gold will soon take off. Back in August, he said that in the event of a global economic crisis, Bitcoin's price could surge to $1 million, with gold reaching $75,000 and silver climbing to 60 grand. 60 grand. So come on, fam. Like, Robert Kiyosaki, he's already saying that if we go through an economic crisis, Bitcoin's going to have to automatically surge to $1 million. But he believes it will touch 135,000. 135,000. Now, there's a lot of analysts, there's a lot of billionaires throwing out numbers of where Bitcoin will reach. Why I speak about Bitcoin? Bitcoin can tell and show that we are going to be in a pump. See, most digital assets follows Bitcoin's pattern. Remember that. So when people talk about Bitcoin, it's not because they don't care about XRP, XLM, and so on, or especially Dogelon Mars. They are letting you guys know that if Bitcoin is going to have a run, a major run, and it's going to touch a penny, I'm just not reaching a penny, reaching $1 million. I know for a fact Dogelon Mars will touch a penny. A penny. Easy. Easy. Now, I have someone on my Twitter also saying that Dogelon Mars could touch $2. Could it happen? With this course, can it really happen? I believe so. And what I was seeing with Jim Cramer. Not a lot of things. When Jim Cramer says we're in a bullish market, prepare for a bear market. If Jim Cramer says we are going to have a bear market, we are definitely are going to have a bullish rally. Now, in a tweet, he said, Andy retweeted it. Shout out to Andy. He retweeted a tweet from Jim Cramer. He says, no way Bitcoin is going to $1 million. I'm going to bookmark that. I definitely will bookmark that. He knows. And he doesn't want people like you guys, hardworking citizens, people who are entrepreneurs and starting your own businesses. They don't want you to use your cash to go ahead and buy Bitcoin. They don't want you to become wealthy. They're not speaking about the altcoins because they don't want you to purchase the altcoins where you become self-made millionaires. Yeah, as you see, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and other altcoins made people millionaires. They actually made people millionaires, family. And if you think that you lucked out or you wasn't in that time frame of purchasing all those assets, listen, you are in that time frame now. And you're going to hear a whole lot more people speaking about, man, there's so many millionaires was made. There's so many billionaires was made. Where was I? Why was I not listening to these YouTubers? Why was I even listening to the analysts on CNBC? Why was I even listening to Jim Cramer? What's going on? Don't be fooled. The metaverse is going to be huge. NFTs is going to be huge. Just because you don't hear it on mainstream right now does not mean it will not be mainstream. They've been putting cryptocurrency in a lot of movies lately. Okay? They've been putting it in there lately. So, shout out to XRP Crypto Wolf. He says XRP may see 77% rise in November. In November. Like again what I said in the last videos. This is reminding me of the 2019 start of the bull run. 2019. Okay? Now you got whales purchasing millions of XRP. They're purchasing millions of XRP. We got whales who are purchasing tons of Elon. Tons of Elon. We got whales who's purchasing tons of Shiba Inu family. So, again, trillions of dollars will flow into Bitcoin if the SEC approves the spot for ETF. But not just that. Once we're in this world economic crisis, no matter what, Bitcoin will reach to $1 million. And once we reach up to $1 million, I can safely say that a lot of us will become wealthy. We'll be in better standings than where we are at right now, family. So, yeah, the prices are tanking. You guys see it. Dogelon Mars is down. It's sitting at 1791. You guys had that little pump. Just because we had a pump does not mean that it's going to run away or you should lose faith of holding that token. AI, artificial intelligence, is here. It's been here. Now, a lot of people are going crazy on artificial intelligence. As you guys know, cryptocurrency is artificial intelligence. These assets, what we hold the leading technology. We are already into the leading technology of currency, which is cryptocurrency. So that's how things are looking right now, family. So give me your thoughts. What do you guys think down in the comment section below of the whole world economic crisis? And what do you expect Bitcoin price to be? Do you guys believe Bitcoin can touch $1 million? Or you guys believe Bitcoin cannot touch $1 million? I believe Dogelon can reach a penny. But if it's touching $1 million Bitcoin, I believe, yeah, we can go a lot more further up. So I don't think they're going to be worried about the circulation of how many tokens this token holds or that person holds. Everything is